Blackout Bingo coin totals can appear wrong when the app hasn't refreshed your account balance correctly, so checking the game session and connection should come before reinstalling the app. By the end, you'll know what to check when coins aren't being added, the balance stays unchanged, or the displayed total doesn't match your recent activity. Start by completely closing Blackout Bingo and reopening it. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On Android, open recent apps and dismiss the game. Then launch it again and check your coin balance. If the balance still hasn't updated, switch your internet connection. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a reliable Wi-Fi connection. A connection interruption can prevent the app from receiving updated account information. Next, check the specific activity that was supposed to add the coins. If the coins came from a completed game, reward, bonus, or other in-app activity, return to that same section and check whether the reward is shown as completed. Don't repeat the same action simply because the balance hasn't changed yet. Then check whether Blackout Bingo has an available update. On iPhone, open the App Store and search for Blackout Bingo. On Android, open Google Play and search for the app. If an update button appears, install it and restart the game. Android users can also clear temporary Blackout Bingo files. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Blackout Bingo, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Avoid clear data unless you're certain your account information is safely connected, because clearing app data can remove locally stored information. If you're using an iPhone, there isn't a standard Clear Cache button for individual apps. You can check Settings, General, and iPhone Storage. Then select Blackout Bingo and use Offload app if available. Afterward, reinstall the app and check the balance again. Pay attention to whether the problem affects only one reward or your entire coin balance. If every coin-related transaction appears stuck, the issue may be account synchronization, rather than one missing reward. Don't create another account to test the balance. Use the same Blackout Bingo account and keep any screenshots showing the previous balance, the completed activity, and the current balance. If the coins still aren't credited after restarting and reconnecting, contact Blackout Bingo support. Give them the exact activity that should have added the coins and the balance currently shown in the app. But the practical order is simple. Restart Blackout Bingo, check your connection, verify the reward activity, update the app, and clear the Android cache if applicable. The key points are that a stale balance can come from synchronization or connection problems, and repeating the same reward action isn't the best first fix. Try those checks before reinstalling or creating another account. If this fixed your Blackout Bingo coin balance, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting fixes.